welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing well. A little later this morning, maybe this afternoon, I'm probably gonna go get some lunch at a really cute cafe, and then there's like a doggy boutique right next door to it, so we're gonna go check that out today. At a place called Uptown Pup in Dallas, and they got some of the cutest things here. It's so adorable. They also offer mimosas. To end the evening, I'm about to head to Medieval Times tournament and dinner, so I'm super excited. Tonight we're representing the Red Knight. Woo! So tonight was the start of my slow pitch softball season. We only had one game at 7 o'clock and we ended up winning. The final score was 14-6, I believe, so pretty proud of us. Little update on the media room. It's gonna be called the lounge, so we got a little sign up here. We got lights on the walls. We're adding some more color on the walls as well. A couple of couches. Got a mini fridge, so it's coming together pretty nice. And we got another little shop dog. Hi. This is Maya. Yes. Hi. Okay, bye. I usually play self-pitch softball 2 nights a week. First night is Monday, second night is Wednesdays. Mondays we just play 1 game, and Wednesdays we play 2 games. It's Wednesday night, we just played our first game and we won 19-0, and we're about to start our second one soon. We just finished our final game for the night and won 17-0. So I'm very happy about how we played tonight. Good morning, everyone, and happy Saturday. I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm about to make me some coffee, and then I gotta clean a little bit, so we're gonna start from there. Tonight, I'm going to the North Texas Fair and Rodeo. I gotta leave in about a few minutes because it's gonna take about an hour to get there, but I'm super excited. This sweet girl was found wandering around in a park, so I volunteered to take her to a shelter, but the shelter is closed, so I have to wait until super early Monday morning to take her there. I did take her to one shelter that was open, but unfortunately they didn't have the room for her, and they checked to see if she was microchipped, which she is not, so I have to wait until Monday to take her to the shelter of the city that she was found in. So yes, that does mean that I took her home with me until I can figure something out. Hello. I checked her for fleas and ticks. She has none. She's good with that. I fed her a little bit of food, gave her some water. She's the sweetest thing. I'm also gonna keep her isolated from my other dog just to be on the safe side. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, share, comment, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one.